Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Curly Tech, and in today's video we're going to be doing a subscription box review on new FabFitFun box for spring 2020. So if you guys are interested to see what I have in my box, keep watching. Alright guys, so we are going to jump right into the video. Like I said in the intro, today's video is going to be featuring the new FabFitFun box for spring 2020. I'm going to open the box in front of you guys, pull out all the products, show you what I got, and at the end I will give you the grand total of the box. So this is what the spring 2020 box looks like. It is nice and green. It has a really nice cute springtime butterflies on it, which is really cool. I do really like butterflies. Just going to open it up, and on the inside you can see it looks like this. It does come with like a magazine and a couple like little leaflets for different products, that type of thing. So I'm gonna set this right there. But first, this little booklet that they have, it does go over the different products that they have. And it lists like the actual price of the things in the box. Also on the back, if you share a picture of your box, then you can be entered to win one of their vacations that they have when they do their little boxes, which is pretty cool. And then you'll have your little leaflets for other products here. So I'm gonna rip open the paper and kind of take a look at what I got. I did just let it freely customize a box for me. I didn't go back and pick items. I know that's something you can do. You have an option to customize up to, I think, like 5 items from the box. So you know what you're going to be getting at least from the 5 items. And I think you get anywhere from like 6 to 8 items in a box. I have to look that up again. But we're going to dive right in. The first thing being the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. And it looks like it is like a red light treatment type of thing. That's pretty cool. I'm not too worried about wrinkles just yet, but you know, your girl's getting up there in age. So probably something I'm gonna need to look at soon. So I'll just quickly open it. I'm not gonna use it right now, but I figured I'd just show you guys. It does come with batteries, which is pretty nice. And then, yeah, it just looks like a little wand, and I guess you just hold it up to your skin where you got wrinkles at, and it's supposed to kind of help get rid of them. Oh yeah, just say it has an infrared light, a red light, amber light. So a couple different lights here to kind of get your youthful skin on. All right, next thing here is the AG Hair Care Fast Food. Looks like it is a leave-on conditioner, supposed to help with moisture. It is cruelty-free. It does say that it's supposed to smooth and help calm frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly. I'm not seeing a whole lot of stuff as far as it being like curly girl friendly, so no like sulfates, parabens, color safe, that type of thing. I still like to use like color safe, no parabens, sulfates, that type of thing. I do try my best to kind of stick to that. I've never heard of AG Hair Care. Have you guys? Let me know down below. Alright, next thing I have in here, covered in little frillies, is the Murad, I think that's how you say it, Rapid Collagen Infusion. Oh, I love skincare products. I'm really trying to work this year on getting like glowy skin to where I don't really have to wear like heavy foundations or wear foundation at all, really. So this says it is a rapid collagen infusion. It says it is a fast-acting treatment with topical filler-like effect. Plumps skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just one use. It does say to use AM and PM, massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. So this would be kind of a cool thing to pair with that like anti-aging light thing I have here. Alright, so next product we have here, it's a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. So I guess there are several different ones in here. I don't know if it's a sheet mask or whatnot. It looks like it says golden root and brown sugar, and it's made by WEEE, yeah, I think, WEI. Yeah, it looks like to be like a Korean skincare product, which is pretty cool. I've been wanting to try those, so I'm gonna pop this thing open. So it looks like you get 8 different little masks, and the first 4 are the golden roots, and the last 4 are the brown sugar. And then you also get this nifty little like face brush to kind of put on with it. So that's pretty cool. They're in these like nifty little pods, which the pods themselves are 8 mils a piece, so 0.27 fluid ounces, so you do get quite a lot. I mean, one pod itself would probably be at least 2 face masks for me. So yeah, you get a lot of product in those little things. So that's pretty cool. It does say the brown sugar mask is a Ready Glow exfoliating mask, and the golden root one is a purifying mud mask. So another thing I will be excited to try later tonight. Diving in here, it looks like we have about 4 more products to go through. This one is the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polish Peel. So once again, another skincare product, which I'm pretty excited about. It is a face peel. It looks like it is a watermelon one. It does say watermelon moisturizes the skin. Beet is good for damaged skin. Purple carrot nourishes skin and keeps it supple and hydrated. It is free of parabens, mineral oils, and synthetic colors. So very healthy for your skin. On the back it does say something about beauty through Asian wisdom. So I don't know. I don't know if this is like a Korean or Asian skincare product. I'm gonna open this up, and I do really like the packaging. It's this really nice like foil type of thing. It has little watermelons all over it. It's really neat. Let's see if it smells like watermelons. Oh, get this cute little bottle here, which matches my hair. Look at that. Hello Cosmo Wanda, hello watermelon realness. And it smells delicious. Smells exactly like watermelon. I feel like I need to be outside with some watermelon and a little bit of salt and a little bit of brown sugar. Alright, next up in the box here, it looks like we have some silicone straws. I love straws. I like drinking out of straws. I don't know what my obsession with straws is. Like, I can drink wine out of a straw, I can drink beer out of a straw, I can drink water, all of it. If it has a straw, I will drink it in 2 seconds. So these are silicone straws. They're the Full Bloom collection, so I guess this particular brand might have different types of straws. It looks like it is by Chic and Tonic, so that's pretty cool. Going to kind of open it up. Oh, those colors are cute. So if you look at the colors on the box, they look a little bit more muted, but when you pull it out, they are like fun springtime colors. And it also includes like a little pipe cleaner here to kind of clean up in the straws, which I'm excited about using these. I do really love straws. And there's something else, which I'm not 100% sure what this is. Maybe it's like a straw holder. I guess since they're silicone, they just kind of fold right down into there. I'm not sure why you want to carry around straws, but whatever. To each their own. You get a little straw holder. Alright guys, 2 products to go here. This one is a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A little bottle here. It is a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. It is a relaxing lotion. It's by the company This Works. It is a 24-hour skin solution. And it does say to use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Interesting. Let's give it. Interesting. Let's give it a smell. Oh. It's very like jasmine, lavender, it's giving me a lot of nighttime realness. So I love the sleepy time line that Bath and Body Works, the green bottle, whatever that is, eucalyptus. That is my favorite lotion to use before I go to bed. Anything eucalyptus or like lavender or anything like that, I love. Sleepy time tea, one of my favorite things. Alright, so coming into the last product of the box here, it looks like it is some fancy words. It's body oil, but it's rosewood Lista Cuba body oil with pomegranate oil. It's might be in some French as well. Pretty much it's like an anti-aging formula that will moisturize, soothe, and replenish the skin in ways nature intended with no harsh chemicals. So pretty much body oil, I guess you just kind of rub yourself down with it, maybe before you go to bed, that type of thing. Kind of open it, and I'll give it a quick smell. I don't know, something about this tells me I might not like the smell. It's not a bad smell. It smells like something. I can't put my finger on it. I don't know what it is. Like cedar wood? Maybe? I don't know. It smells good. There's that. If you guys got this box, you got this scent in the box, let me know down below. Tell me what you think it smells like, because I cannot think of the name of what this smells like. So yeah, definitely let me know. Alright guys, so that is all the products I got in my FabFitFun Spring 2020 box. About to be about 8 different products. As I was talking about the products, I had the prices flashing as far as what they were. So I'll list that grand total right through here so you can see just about the price of the box that you would get if you were to buy all those products without the subscription box. Also, you guys can check out the magazine that it has in there, because it will talk about the different prices. It'll also talk about other things that could have came in the box that you could have gotten if you had customized it, or if they had just sent other products. I'm not sure how they do the whole surprise me. I think it's just they just grab whatever. It's not like you're doing quizzes to kind of figure out things that you like. But overall, I'm probably going to use at least 90% of the things in the box. I was a little worried about the AG hair care, the fast food hair thing, and a little bit about the body oil, but everything else I will definitely use. Half the stuff I'm going to use right before I go to bed tonight. But yeah, you guys can always check out my Instagram, where I'll post kind of different things about the different products that I'm using. Talk a little bit more about how I like them there. Okay guys, so if you liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. I had a great time reviewing this box. If you guys have any other subscription boxes that you would like to see me review, definitely leave that down below. I'd like to check them out. I really like getting subscription boxes and reviewing them, just because you never know what you're going to get, and I'm not a person who likes surprises. I like to know what I'm getting, so subscription boxes are really fun to me, surprisingly, because I don't like surprises to where I don't know what I'm getting. So it kind of gets me a little excited, so I definitely want to be into trying other subscription boxes that you guys recommend. That's it for the video though today, guys. I will catch y'all